Hi, I'm Niall Gormley. In 10 minutes, the Hurricane releases more energy than all of the world's nuclear weapons combined. Uh, I believe that I can be the source of your energy for your business. I'm 21 years old. I'm currently studying in GMIT, a business degree, and I'm in my final year. My life experience has brought me all over the business sector and the working world. I've worked in many different areas, including I've worked as a tractor mechanic, sales assistant, and a managing taxi dispatcher in Galway City. I spend most of my spare time in doing sales and working for my father's business selling plant machinery. This leads me into my first sales experience when I was 16 years old. I've always had great interest in sales. Basically, this experience has led me into my career that I chose today. I had the task at hand of selling an old vintage car. The sale was it was very hard as it needed a lot of restoration. It taught me a life lesson that you can be the best salesperson you can be, but you can't always find the right buyer for your product. Uh, why I want to work for your business is because I'm very motivated. I want to be the best for your company. I've had a great experience for a person my age, and I want to be I want to be very beneficial for your company.